Welcome to today's webinar. We're excited to share ProjectSight with you. ProjectSight is built to support project teams in managing construction projects so you can eliminate risks and deliver the work you promised on time and on budget. On today's webinar, we will take your questions. Please use the chat or questions window in the GoToWebinar control panel, and the recording from today's presentation will be made available after the webinar. So, what is ProjectSight? ProjectSight is Trimble's next-generation solution for contractors from the team who brought you Prologue. ProjectSight was built from the ground up to be priced right, scalable and secure, intuitive and easy to use, and ProjectSight comes with unlimited data storage. It's quite easy to get going. Simply invite your project team to the appropriate project. They'll receive an email, and from there they can click and go right into the product. From there they can see the portfolios that they are eligible to use based upon their access control. And from there they simply click in and get started. Our product tutorials can help you get started on a new module as needed. And we also provide training videos and help within the product to enable your team members to self-learn. ProjectSight gives you access to all of your drawings in the field. And through Trimble Connect, you can utilize 3D models for design and project management purposes. Or why not look at as-built point clouds and 3D models at the same time to visualize and capture design issues or manage change orders effectively. So, what comes out of the box? ProjectSight has everything you would expect from a project management solution. Models and drawings, budget and cost management, including the ability to track and manage change, document control, things like RFIs, submittals, field management, where you're able to track quality and safety. We also provide dashboards and a file library. And ProjectSight also includes Trimble Connect, our collaboration environment that enables architects, engineers, contractors, and owner-operators to collaborate on building projects. ProjectSight is built to integrate. Our open API allows you to create integrations that fit your needs and your processes. We also offer an integration with eBuilder, our project management solution specifically for owners, allowing for exchange of key data from RFIs, submittals, and schedule of values. Don't be fooled by integrations where you need to change your process to fit in their box, or by those that require manual intervention. All right, why don't we just stop there and let's dive right in and take a look. All right, well, welcome to ProjectSight. Today I'm logged in as a project manager. In this case, his name is Jack Clifton. And here's a view of all the different projects that Jack has access to. What we'll do is we'll navigate right into the University Student Union project, and it'll take me to that project's homepage. Right here you can see some dashboards and widgets that give me a good view of the project health and help me understand exactly what's going on. These are customizable, so you're able to change these and edit them to make them show you what's important to you so you can have the information you need right in front of you. On the right-hand side, I can see some specific items that might need my attention. And on the left is where I'm able to navigate into the different modules within ProjectSight. Our drawings area, our full-featured budget and cost management, including things like budgets, cost forecasts, and potential change orders. Our document control area, field management, as well as our file library, as well and models that we showed earlier in the presentation. Now from here I can navigate in a couple of different ways. In this case, I'm going to pop over and take a look at issue number 3. Now, issue number 3, I can scroll back and see everything that's happened since that first issue was logged. You can see when the issue was logged, we've associated both a drawing as well as a model view related to it. And you can go through and look at the history. So you've got that full conversation detail and can understand everything that's happened since this item has been created. We also see that there's another drawing added, perhaps an RFI, and a potential change order. So you have that one-click access to all of the different modules and all of the different areas that are related to this one specific item. If I wanted to, I could enter a comment at the bottom, log it as resolved, and be on my way. So quick and easy, I can get things taken care of and move on with my day. When I'm finished, I simply click done, and it takes me right back to the home page. Now, we all know that drawings are a big part of any project, and it's really easy to use within ProjectSight. I'll jump right into that drawings module, and from here I'm able to see all of the drawings that I want to see. I'm able to sort them and filter them based upon different areas. In this case, I'm looking only at the architectural drawings. To navigate in, I simply click on the drawing itself. And I know I'm looking at the current version because it tells me right at the top. From here, I'm able to click and see some of the different activities that are going on related to this drawing. I can click and see that there's an RFI related to ductwork right here in this one area. It's also very easy to add new records. If I know I have a request for information, it's related to this office, I simply click, I'm going to draw the cloud, and I'm going to call into question the wall color related to this office. Quick, easy, there you go, easy to use. Later on, I can go back in and take a look at that RFI, fill in more information, assign it to people, but it allows me to quickly and easily get the information logged right when I'm there. When I'm done with this area, I'm able to click the Done button, and it takes me right back to my drawings homepage. And so once I'm done with my drawings, I simply click on the project name, and it takes me right back to my homepage. Now, another very important thing to a project manager is budgets. So let's dig into budgets really quickly. I'll navigate over and click on the Budget tab. It'll take me right into the Budget module. Now, as you can see, I've got a whole lot of details here, a whole lot going on, and then I've got that big red indicator right at the top that tells me I'm over budget. Now, first thing I'm going to want to do is maybe dig into some key areas to help understand what's going on a little bit. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually search my budget. I'm going to actually use a keyword related to one of the budget code descriptions to help me narrow down what's going on. In this case, I use the code, the word temp, so related to temporary. And now you can see I've gone from what was over 180 budget code items. Now I'm down to only 15, so I can dig into a little bit more detail right here. You can also see that the summaries at the top adjusted based upon the view on the screen. Again, this is simple, intuitive, easy to use. It knows that you're just looking at these 15 line items, so it will provide the totals related to that just right there. So in this case, we're going to dig in and let's take a look at our some of the costs related to structures. So in this case, I'm going to pick on the temporary structures subcontract. Now you can see all of the different transactions related to this one single budget code. And I'm able to scroll over to the right and understand what the original commitments were, maybe some of the uncommitted costs, and understand what's going on with the different costs during the project. So I can help make better decisions related to my project budget. When I'm done, I simply click Done. It takes me right back to that transaction form. And then when I'm ready, I click Done and it takes me back to my budget and cost homepage. So here within the budget and cost management area, I can dig into other areas related to budgets and contracts and commitments. Over on the right-hand side, I can see that within budget and cost management, I still have 3 areas that are assigned to me that maybe I want to take a look at. And of course, I can simply click on it just like I did right at the home page. It'll click on that arrow and open up this contract item. In this case, we have a contract related to structural and site concrete. I can see from the comments as well as the totals on that first page that there were some potential change orders that were outstanding. And so I'm able to quickly and easily navigate over to the Change Orders tab and take a look at what's going on. Not only can I see the current state of the contract, but I'm also able to see any executed change orders as well as any potential change order items that are going to impact what this contract is for. Now from here, I can take the pending changes, roll them into a new change order and open the records, or I can dig in a little bit more and figure out what's going on, all within my fingertips, all one click away, easy to use. When I'm ready to and finished here, I can click Done, and it takes me right back to my budget and cost homepage. And now we'll navigate right back to my project homepage. So this was just a really quick overview of ProjectSight. You saw how this allows Jack, our project manager, to have a quick insight into the health of his project with these custom widgets right on that front home page. You have easy access to those items that are assigned to him over on the right-hand side of the page. And then you're able to dig into the different modules using the different categories on the left and dive deeper into information. We show you some drawings, we dug into some budget and contract items, And you can see how everything was one click away and all of your history was right there so you can make informed decisions. So that was a quick look at ProjectSight just to give you some high-level overview of the features and capabilities. If you'd like to learn more, simply go to our website, projectsight.trimble.com. Be sure to follow us on LinkedIn. And if you have any questions, feel free to contact us at info@projectsight.trimble.com. We'll have more information related to future webinars on our website, and we'll keep you updated on LinkedIn as well. We will send you these links in a follow-up email along with a survey, and we certainly appreciate your feedback. If you had questions submitted, we'll certainly follow up with you after the webinar. And we'll end it here. Finally, you have a choice. We built ProjectSight with confidence so you can build with confidence. ProjectSight brings you the next generation of project controls that you can afford. From the same team that set the standard for the past 20 years, and as part of Trimble, you can be confident we'll be there for the long haul. Trust in us to get the work done so you can get on with the rest of your day. Thanks for spending some time with us today, and we'll see you next time. Take care.